My video is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site newskatime.com. Newskatime.com is a new malicious site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you continue your browsing. But if you mistakenly click on allow, your browser may be hijacked with a lot of intrusive advertisements. So if you do not want to see those ads, make sure you get your browser fixed by accessing the menu. Go down to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and in Permissions, choose Notifications. When you find this site, newskatime.com, make sure you remove it from the list. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and once it is successfully installed, start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.